How about one of these new Cadillacs? This is the medium SUV, the XT6 with the comfort package. 2021, less than 8,000 miles. Traded in at Long Volvo. Huh. I must have traded in on a new Volvo. Can't imagine why you wouldn't like one of these. I'm sure they're pretty darn nice. Oh, yeah. What you talking about? Man, I like them Cadillac floor mats. Man, this is a new car right here, folks. This is a new car. Ooh, man. Oh, don't scoop me up. Scoop me back. Okay. There's no way this is a 4-cylinder engine. It is. What in the hell? Ventilated seats, please. Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This is a freaking 4-cylinder? You have got to be kidding me. Man, that thing's jacked up. Look at that cup holder. Why won't that close? Is it electric? Surely it's not. But it could be. Wow, this is a nice rig. Is this based off the Acadia or the Enclave with just Cadillac, garb? Well, I'm trying to go to reverse. There we go. Reverse. Ooh, nice reverse camera. I felt a vibration in my butt. Look at that bird's eye view. Man, this car is nice. Nice. Wow. Why would somebody trade this? I mean, is a 4-cylinder all you can get? Ooh, heads-up display. Can y'all see that? And if it's a 4-cylinder, oh shit, right now brakes. Good God Almighty, right now brakes. God, I hurt myself. Holy smokes. I mean, whatever 4-cylinder it is dead quiet. Holy cow, this thing is quiet. But what in the hell is in it? Do they run a 4-cylinder in an Acadia or a Enclave? I all thought they were 3.6 V6. And yeah, this thing is definitely a 4-cylinder, and I've got it in manual mode. Uh-oh, now I got it neutral. There's drive. There we go. Now this is very, very nice, but a 4-cylinder, seriously? Front wheel drive, not all wheel drive. Got great power. I can't imagine you wanting anything else. I mean, it's not like stupid fast, but I mean, it's got plenty to get up and go. Oh yeah, lots of wheel hop. Oh yeah, my God, this thing's got tons of power. I'm very, very curious. What 4-cylinder engine is this? Cadillac XT6. 2021 with less than 8,000 miles. Are you kidding me? This is so bizarre. Bose stereo. Got third row seating, captain's chairs. I imagine they're heated. Yes, climate controlled as well. USBs. Power folding third row. Built with pride in Tennessee. Are you serious? No, that's a V6. It says V6, but it felt like a 4-cylinder. No shit. Sounded like 4-cylinder. Maybe it's just the direct injection. Okay. So V6, 3.6 liter, just like they use in the Enclave and Denali. Look at that headlight, or running light and headlight. I think those things would be a little pricey. What you think? This is actually very, very nice. Man, I could drive something like this right here. Definitely. The sugar. This baby is the sugar. And they just traded it in at the Volvo dealership. I mean, there's no telling how much money they lost. I mean, just no telling how much money they freaking lost. I mean, seriously? A fortune. A small fortune. Man, I like that bird's eye camera. That helps you get in a parking spot straight right there, man. That is the trick. Cool car, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.